Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Brawl Stars in app purchase not working. If app purchases fail or do not go through, this is often a store or account issue. First, check your payment method in the App Store or the Play Store. Make sure it's valid and has enough balance. Then, restart your game and your phone. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find Brawl Stars and then swipe it away. And after restarting your phone, reopen it. Then, if the payment was charged but items didn't appear, wait for a few minutes. Purchase sometimes sync late. Check if you're logged in into correct Apple ID or Google account. In App Store, click on your account and make sure you're in the right Apple account and your Google account. After that, because your purchases are tied to that account, if the problem continues, contact Supercell support with the transaction ID from your store recipient. Most missing purchases are restored once verified. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.